अजय
अरे भाई ग्रीन शर्ट आगे लेना sticking to the commercial format. I think the director is trying to say something which I think everybody from the public to the media, everybody is doing right.
A lot of things going on. Coming together. How is the experience not together again?
I think great. We worked.
On one side you have very promising Vidya Vara, on the other side you have Pankaj. Any particular experience?
I think great. When you have great actors with you, I think things work for film, things work for your performance.
The music liked a lot by the people. What do you have to say about it?
Music, if people have liked the music, it's not the highlight of the film.
Any particular favorite when it comes to the music that
For me, they all work because they take the story ahead. I really believe that the film is good, and now it's up to the audiences if they like it or not.
one reason why we should watch this
Lots of reasons, because not because I am saying so, but I really believe it's a good film.
अजय सोशल मैसेज रहेगा राजकुमार की फिल्म है इसमें किस तरह का सोशल मैसेज है
देखिए ये तो आप फिल्म देखेंगे तो समझ में आएगा कि इट्स अबाउट, जैसे कि टाइटल सजेस्ट करता है कि अगर आपको बदलाव लाना है तो आपको खुद लाना पड़ेगा, और जो पावर आवाम और मीडिया की है उससे बड़ी पावर आज कुछ है ही नहीं, और अगर वो मिलके अगर सही काम करें तो आई थिंक वी कैन गेट ऑल द चेंजेस वी नीड.
आपकी आने वाली फिल्म है यूमी और हम, आपकी पत्नी भी उसमें काम कर रही है.
आई थिंक विल टॉक अबाउट दैट लेटर.
Good morning.